Okay, I'm drawing a graph for n1, n2, and n3. So y-axis is going to be n1, x-axis is going to be psi. If I draw n1, it is going to be, let me show you the main numbers. This is going to be 1, 0, and 1 here. Okay, so where is -1? -1 is here. So for n1, if I put psi -1, it is going to be -2, -1, negative. It is going to be 1. So 1 point is going to be at left side. It is going to be 1. Is it correct or not? Think about it. For the left side, if I use n1, it must give me 1, which is exact value of u1, because the formula is u equal n1 u1 plus n2 u2 plus n3 u3. So at the left side, if I put psi -1, I should get 1, exact value of u1. So for the right side, if I put 1 for the side, it's going to be 0. And for 0, it is going to be 0. So the graph is going to be something like this. Oh, what happened? Now I'm going to draw n2. So this is 1, -1, 1. If I draw, for left side is going to be 0, for right side is going to be 0, for 0 it is going to be 1. This is n2 psi. And the graph is going to be like this. And finally, for n3, if we draw this is 1, -1, 1. It should be opposite than n1. And if you put -1, it is going to be 0. If you put 0, again 0, 1, it is going to be 1. So the graph should be something like this. And if I write down the formula for u, it is going to be n1, n2, n3, u1, u2, u3, which is exactly the matrix n times vector u. And we decided, I just remembered, to use capital U here to make sure we're not making mistake with this small u and the values of the left and right side. And if I draw a graph for u and psi for the local coordinate system, let's see how we can, what type of graph we are going to have. 1 and -1. As you can see, it's really easy working with local coordinate system or normalized coordinate system. you already know that we should have u1, u2, u3. Otherwise, I can't write. So let's assume u1 is 2, u2 is -1, u3 is 3. So these are, for example, our assumptions. So u1 is 2. Let me show you where is 1, and this is going to be 1, 2, and 3. This one is going to be -1. So let's draw in red. For -1, which is left side, is 2. So this is 2. For middle one is -1. For the right side is 3. So it is going to be something like this. And I asked you to do some calculation for the case of cubic. And cubic one is going to have 4 points. So extract the formula, the shape function formula, using this one, and try to draw these graphs to see what type of graphs we should have for that one. Okay, I thought it's going to be very short review, but it wasn't. Sorry. See you next time.